Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Infinix Note 30, which is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 53,000 PKR in the Pakistan market, but right now this phone is selling at 65,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In this price range we are getting a 45 watt super fast charging. Also we have 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. Also we have a JBL sound system on this phone. So here's a box of the Infinix Note 30. On the color I have is a sunset gold color. This phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, which is a good thing. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. This phone has a 6.7 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. We have 64 megapixel triple cameras on the back. We have Mediatek Helio G99 SoC on this phone. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. Without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Note 30. Now first let me remove the plastic. Now let's open this box like this, and we have one more mini box. When you open the box, here is our device, Infinix Note 30. This phone also has NFC. So here is a sunset gold color looks like. If you can see, I gotta say this phone has a leather type finish on the back, which looks really nice and beautiful, attractive I would say. On the back we have a triple cameras on this phone. Overall I am liking the design language on this phone. We have completely flat frame, and the frame it is made up of plastic, and the black color has a plastic back. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed, and here is our SIM injection tool, warranty card. Here is our soft silicone case, as you can see. So in the box we are getting a tempered glass, which I did not expect that. This is a really nice value. Also install guide. Here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 45 watt super fast charger that you're getting in the box. Also we have our cable, which is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Infinix Note 30. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. Also inside the SIM tray we have rubber, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also on the top we are getting another speaker which is powered by JBL. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on off button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 64 megapixel f1.7 aperture main camera, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor and a VGA lens. I really like the hand feel of this phone because of the vegan leather finish and this attractive gold aka orange color. And this phone has a 6.7 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top, and the bottom chin it is, I would say, really average. I wish that we have AMOLED display with 90Hz. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Infinix Note 30. And guys, the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display. So here is the max brightness we have, and display it is not that bright. Now let's go to the settings. Now let's go my phone. So this phone is running on Android 13 right out the box with a XOS version 13, Mediatek Helio G99. Also this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that give you a Mediatek Helio G99. Again we have 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 21.82 GB it is already used. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the display, and this phone has a 120Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. We also have a 90Hz mode, 60Hz and 120Hz, which is a nice thing. So now let's go 120Hz all the time. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. As you can see, in the fingerprint scanner speed it is really fast. And now let's look at the camera. And this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have 64 megapixel main camera. Let's go video mode. The back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps. We also have a ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. We also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video. Here is the film mode, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode, and when you go right there We also have a slow motion. We also have a dual view video mode. We also have a pro mode and panorama. All those things it is available on this phone. And also look at the front facing camera. This phone has 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the front facing camera it is not that great on this phone. So now let's go to the video mode. And the front camera also shoots 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps with the front facing camera, and ultra steady mode also available. Same case with the bokeh effect, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available. And with the front facing camera we don't have any slow motion. And here is the notification panel looks like. Again, we also have NFC, which is a nice thing. Now let's talk about the battery size. This phone has 5000 mAh battery size with a 45 watt fast charging, and combined with a Mediatek Helio G99, this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life easily without any problem. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Note 30. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.